Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Nyala Pet ability in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, this is how the Nyala Pet looks like, and this is a pet from the Springtide egg, which is the new egg from the Easter update part 3. I'm going to place it in my garden. Okay, before I show you what this pet can do, guys, I want to explain to you how you can get this pet. First of all, of course, you need to have the springtide egg, and then you can buy the egg from this Easter shop right here. But it's pretty rare, so you need to wait for so long until this egg is restocked in the Easter shop. Okay, and these are the possible pets from this egg, and you will have 9% chance or possibility to get Nyala from the springtide egg. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to my garden and show you the ability of this pet. Okay, this is a mythical pet. It can eat fruit with at least 4 mutations, and yeah, basically it can give the lush mutation, and also pets have chance 20% to gain XP. Okay, so it has 2 abilities. It can give you the lush mutation and also boost the pet. Okay, it's cool. I think it's worth to keep in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all about Nyala Pet ability and Grow Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!